abundance universe world, if you think there is a lack, it's only in the mind. Look around you, there's no lack in the universe world, and everything in abundance. Abundance universe world. So from one seed of pomegranate, you can get 1,000 seeds of pomegranate trees. Just think about it a little bit. From one pomegranate, one seed, you will get 1,000 seeds of trees in one pomegranate. Just one. There's 1,000 seeds in that one pomegranate, just one. And there's just 1,000 seeds of trees in there. Just think about it. There's no lack in the universe world, only lack in the mind. And so everything in abundance in the universe world. So if you think and feel lack, change to from lack to in abundance. And definitely things going to start to change if you do that, because your thoughts only going to think in abundance, and this is how to change your mindset. So just reminder again, from one pomegranate there is 1,000 seeds in one pomegranate, and there is 1,000 seeds of trees in one pomegranate. Just that needs to think about it a little bit. I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. And universe world is abundance universe world. There's no lack in the universe world. So thank you for watching the YouTube. Thank you. Bye.